I've been teaching for 22 years. This is year 23. I taught English in France for 5.5 years, and the rest of the years have been me teaching French in English-speaking countries. The thing I enjoy most about teaching languages is the human contact, because you have to speak, you have to talk, you have to get to know each other when you're learning a language. I like it when we laugh and we have spontaneous things like competitions and games, because then it's real language. It's not just verb conjugations and just memorization. I love the competitions. I think everyone should take a foreign language, and I think all foreign languages are great. Obviously, I've chosen French, and France is such a beautiful country. France has really, really good cheese. The croissants in France are better than you're ever gonna find anywhere. The desserts are unbelievable, so food is awesome. The people are really nice in France. And once you know one language, it's easier to learn a second and a third language, so that'll help you in life in the future.